Alright, well, we'll see if we can make some contacts out there in DX land. CQDX 98 Buckeye, 98 Buckeye State standing by. Yeah, go ahead there, 181 Minnesota. 181 Minnesota, 98 Buckeye State standing by. Hey, roger that on that noise there tonight out there. Sure is, but I tell you what, you're sounding fine and dandy here in the Buckeye State, Roger.
Well, I heard you. What you said? Well, the Buckeye State down in Southeast Georgia.
Hey, roger that, Southeast Georgia. How about you out there, Southeast Georgia, 98 Buckeye. 98 Buckeye State standing by.
You getting out, ain't no doubt about it, but this is noisy over, I
guess. Hey, roger that there. I tell you what, I appreciate the flowers there. Sure do there, but I tell you what, you guys are sounding mighty fine up here in the Buckeye State for sure. They're definitely 98 Buckeye State there. We're just got a little video gate rolling here. We're going to slap her on YouTube here after a bit. Roger.
What kind of castle that is you live in? 0059 trying to get over to you.
How about your 0059, 98 Buckeye State Watergate rolling? Yeah, roger that there, 0598 I believe he said. 98 Buckeye State there. We're located here 26 miles due south of Columbus, Ohio, in a little town called Circleville, Roger. Hey, roger that there. Yeah, we got a little video rolling here tonight. See if we can't get a couple good contacts there, and we're gonna stick it on YouTube there. That username there would be Macy Darcy Kyle. Be all one word there, Roger. Well, I think we did fairly well tonight there. 98 Buckeye State. We'll be on the side.